students, welcome back to another episode of HeArt Teaching. I'm Miss Davis, and today we're going to be doing another Instagram challenge. So today's Instagram challenge is called Draw This Again. So I dug through my high school art and I pulled out this cute picture of a frog on a laptop. I think I called him a nerdy frog or something like that. Well, this was done way back in '07. So it has been over 10 years now since I have drawn this. And we're going to draw this again. Now, this is my draw this again. So I want you guys to pull out an artwork that you did over a year ago. If it's close to a year ago and you really want to use that artwork, like maybe our anime portraits from the beginning of the year, if you wanted to redraw that, that's perfectly fine. But the idea is that there has been some separation of time between the first time you drew it and you drawing it now. This challenge is here to show you guys what you have improved on, because you'll be able to look at some things that you maybe didn't do so well on in your previous artwork and kind of improve upon those in the new artwork. So even if you think that your drawing now isn't very good, you can at least see how far you've come by fixing some of the mistakes from one of your past drawings. So it actually shows you your improvement, even if you don't feel like you can see it. So this is a really good project just to kind of show you your improvement. So I've actually already made a preliminary sketch for this one. So here is my high school drawing. And here is my preliminary sketch for my new drawing. Now I'm going to completely redo this. This is just what it's, sort of what it's going to look like. So you can already tell a big difference in my drawing skill. You know, I wasn't too bad here in high school. I had a lot of practice even back in high school. I drew every day. So I kind of knew what I was doing, but there are still a ton of things that I wanted to improve on this. So now I'm going to take my drawing skills and techniques of today, and I'm going to apply that to a new drawing here. So this is just my preliminary sketch that I kind of slapped down on a piece of paper earlier to see what I was going to do with you guys. And now I'm going to take a brand new piece of paper and I'm just going to do a speed drawing. So your assignment for today is not to draw the same thing that I'm drawing. But your assignment for today is to pull out an old artwork of yours from close to a year ago to over a year ago, and it could be, 2 or 3 years ago. That's perfectly fine. But I want you guys to redraw something that you drew a while back so that you can see sort of that time lapse, even though, you may not have consciously improved over time. It just kind of shows you that you have improved. So I want you guys to pull out a project that you did a while back and I want you to redraw it, okay? And if you want to in the video here and just go ahead and do your own redrawing, that's fine. From here on out for this video, I'm going to be doing a speed drawing of my own Draw This Again challenge. Alright, here I go. Alright guys, and there is my draw this again. I hope you guys can see the improvement. I certainly can. I've also made some changes to my style over the years. It has been over 10 years since I first drew this picture of this little nerdy or business frog, whatever you want to call him. And I can certainly see how I have improved over the years. So, when you do your Draw This Again challenge, just keep in mind that the length of time between drawings will correlate to how much you can see your improvement. You know, so if you drew a picture last week and you drew the same picture this week, there might not be much improvement. You might can see a little bit of improvement, but not much. However, if you took a picture that you drew a year ago and redid it today, you'd be able to see more improvement. Okay, if you took one from 10 years ago like I did and you redrew it today, you would be able to see even more improvement. So just keep that in mind, that the amount of time between your Draw This Again challenges will relate to how much you've improved. Alright guys, this has been Miss Davis doing the Draw This Again Instagram challenge. I hope you guys were able to do it with me. I hope you guys are able to see some improvement in your artwork. I certainly could, but it's been 10 years for me. Anyway, please like and subscribe, and until next time, keep drawing.